Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SGYP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. While this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis yesterday, but want to get things updated here as we head into the weekend. And obviously, it was another very nice day for the price. Volume strong, price strong. Sure, there was a little bit of a pullback here, but that's just a small portion of the day. When you look at not only the entire day, but past days, you can see that the trend is continuing. So let's map out some areas of support and then resistance going into next week. The ideal level of support, meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can hold up above $6.15, that would definitely make the chart look the healthiest going forward. But by no means am I saying that if the price falls below it, that everything's ruined or anything like that. Not saying that at all. That would just be, again, that ideal situation. Next level of support after that, down here at that point, and that sits at the $6 mark. So $6.15, $6, going to be the two near-term levels of support. But from kind of the big picture perspective, and, hey Clay, how can we measure the health of the move? What is the move? Well, this right here is what I'm defining as the move. So how can you, gauge the health of that? Very simplistic way, just keep an eye on that purple line there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Meaning, as long as the price remains above that purple line, bulls are in full control, bulls are in full health, however you can best visualize that. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to press onwards, where are some of these potential battlegrounds at? For this, I'm going to scrunch up the charter just a tad, give myself a little bit more perspective. And I'm talking to myself right now, but I'm wondering, is that where the price bounced off of today? Yep, so that makes perfect sense, $6.50. Why do I say that makes perfect sense? Well, if you look back here through the history of the chart, you can see this was a key area of support, and a foundational principle in charting is when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So it was broken, then it turned into resistance there, turned into resistance there, and then once again now acting as resistance. I'm not saying that 650 can't be broke. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price did struggle at that point today. So that'll definitely be public enemy number one going into next week. All in all, though, very nice way to close out the week. So it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can continue to build upon this momentum next week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.